Dear all, welcome back to my channel. After being away for 5 months, busy moving to my new place, today I'm gonna give you a quick tour of my new workshop. I chose to have a 2-meter wide workbench with a pegboard on top of it in order to be able to do all types of DIY jobs I can ever imagine. An important tool to have is an LED light panel. In this case, I installed this 120 by 30 centimeters panel that I found in a local hobby center. A good thing about this panel is the possibility to switch it on and off via the remote control whenever it's necessary. Another cool feature is the possibility to choose the color temperature of the light, from sunset warm to daylight cool. This is very important for the modeler in order to get a precise result when replicating a real scale aircraft paint. And most importantly is that via the remote you can dim the light at your own preferences. I modified my spray booth in order to be able to switch on and off its lights and extraction fan independently. In this new workshop, I decided to dedicate a specific fixed place on the bench only for airbrushing, where I designed an exhaust system that goes right through the garage door ventilation holes. The airbrush compressor will sit on a shelf just under the tabletop without interfering with the working space. There's enough room on the desktop for some boxes I can use to store things like a breathing mask, gloves, and other necessary tools to do the job. I decided to store my paint jars in this wonderful old closet that keeps them from falling and let me see clearly its content. I'm using those standard shelves where I will keep all my future models' boxes. I installed some drawers where, in the closest one to me, I will keep all the primary tools for the modeling. The cool thing is those plastic boxes, or let's say containers, that gives you the look of a well-ordered working place, and when necessary, they can be placed on the desktop for ease of use. I separated tools for modeling from tools for electric repairs via those distinguished drawers. In this last drawer, I store a box for fragile and small build model pieces, a caliper, my paintbrush, some fine sandpaper, plastic art and rods, some decals, and of course, all the spare of my paintbrush. An Iwata airbrush cleaning kit, another shelf for some organizers for screws and bolts used for repairs and dynamic modeling. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below if you'd like to learn more about my workshop, and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying my videos. See you next time!